Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Bigo Live app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, you have to open the app. Then, you have to tap on the middle button on the bottom of the screen. Then, from there, you can go live. Once you go live, people are gonna start joining your live. On the person you want to mute, then long press on the button, then tap on manage. Once you tap on manage, you can mute them. And guys, that's it. That's how you mute someone on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.